While playing the game, I realized that this game doesn't have much going for it when it comes to retaining players. Individual levels have a retention mechanic. What I mean is, levels have stars that you can earn, and if a player doesn't get all 3 stars, it can motivate the player to retry until they get all 3 stars. Holistically, this game has nothing that engages the player. It is a puzzle game, and generally the difficulty of the puzzles increasing is what gets the player to come back. And this game has that, but I wanted to make it better. So this week, I dived into the world of retention. I watched videos about it and what is considered addictive gameplay and what is considered engaging gameplay. And watching these videos really opened my eyes on how mobile games are designed to be addictive. And most videos I watched said that responsible designers should not be making addictive games. After watching these videos, I felt equipped to take on this challenge of making an engaging game. Progression is a great way of engaging players, and often progression is shown by levels. It could be levels of a game or character levels. Both work in the same way. The players see where they started and where they have reached now, showing them how much better they have gotten from when they began. And this encourages players to progress further. This game already has levels, and by making the levels tougher as they go by, it will really show how much better the player has become. But if I were to see this game, I would be overwhelmed by the number of levels, and I would think I couldn't complete this. This would deter me from starting the game. So I locked the next set of levels. The player will have to earn enough stars before they can unlock the next set. And the player will also have to complete a level before they can play the next one. This adds mystery to the game, which is another mechanic for engaging gameplay. Seeing something and it being inaccessible motivates the player to try and unlock the inaccessible thing. I've also decided to space out some mechanics of the game. So different mechanics will be introduced in different sets, making the player wonder about the next mechanic and how it will change the gameplay. The last thing I added was a reward for unlocking a new set of levels. If the player unlocks a new set of levels, they will be rewarded with a new theme. Right now, all they have to do is unlock the new set to get the new theme. But I'm thinking about making it a little tougher, a higher star requirement, or completing a set with all stars earned to get a new theme. I'm still playing with this idea. I think these are good mechanics and don't adversely affect the gameplay. Even if I make the new themes require a perfect set, it is just cosmetic and does nothing to the gameplay. With that said, I'm still new to the world of engaging gameplay, and I know I have a lot of room to improve. Adding this new theme mechanic meant I had to change a lot of things. All the UI elements and the tiles had to have dynamic colors. So this is how I went about implementing it. I used the subscriber design pattern. I made a theme manager with an event that is fired anytime the theme is changed. And I added a new component that is attached to all the UI elements, the buttons, images, text, and even the camera. This component is listening for the theme manager event, and when that event is fired, the component gets the new color and updates it. This was not a very difficult task, but it was a tedious one. The toughest part was getting the title working, because the title has an animation. Getting this to work was straight up annoying. But when I finally finished it, I was exhausted and I called it a night. Next week, I'll be adding in-app purchases to the game.